magandang gabi po sa lahat. Thank you for watching po. Ayan, challenging, right? Challenging sa akin yung part ng bed scene. Magkukwento lang ako. Galing po ako sa conservative na family, so para sa akin yung role na yon sobrang challenging sa akin. Pero because of the, ayan, sa co-star ko, sobrang bait, and the director, honestly, they asked me kung hanggang saan yung limit ko. Ayan, thank you sa Hill to make me feel comfortable noong time ng bed scene.
Hello, good evening. Actually, isa lang yung scene ko doon. Oops. Yung scene ko lang na pinatay ako ng ni Sahil, actually. So, yung pinaka-challenging part lang doon actually, yung talagang dumapa ako doon sa dumi. Tapos minsan parang may amoy hindi maganda. So, yun lang naman. Pero actually, very thankful po ako kay Sahil kasi ito po yung first movie ko po talaga. So, congratulations po.
Ako, siguro yung paano gumanap din na isang Muslim kasi yung kung paano sila manamit, 'di ba? Yung galaw nila, 'di ba? Hindi naman mga magagaslaw. And saka yung nilalagay, ano ba yun? Dito sa ulo. Oo, yun na yun. Oo, kasi first time eh. 'Di ba? Pero parang okay naman, 'di ba? Yun lang, medyo mainit lang sa pero I'm happy na nabigyan ako ng ganung role para naman, 'di ba, may maka-experience ako ng iba-ibang eccentric role sa pelikula. And thank you Sahil for for having us, magkuha sa amin dito. Thank you.
Yeah, sa akin naman, sa tagal ko sa industriya, every time na gumagawa ako ng mga pelikula or mga taping, challenging sa akin palagi yung umiyak. Siyempre, hindi naman basta-basta na iiyak ka na lang doon. Kailangan prepared ka sa character mo, prepared ka sa story, prepared ka sa mga nakakasama mo sa eksena. And so far, lahat naman ng mga naka-eksena ko doon, si Natasha, si Sahil, si Angeli, maraming beses ko na siyang nakasama at ang galing-galing niya po talagang umarte. Siyempre, produkto po yan ni Jojo Veloso. And palakpakan po natin si Tito Jojo. At dati din po akong alaga ni Tito Jojo, kaya rin po naging Veloso ako. And yun po yung challenging po palagi sa akin na kung ano po yung ibibigay sa akin na eksena at kung ano pong ibibigay sa akin na character.
First of all, I will say thanks to my manager, senior road manager, and my talent manager, Jojo Veloso Jannavaro. Really thankful to accept me in Viva. The second one, it was very a challenge movie for us. Kasi actually, first time pasok ako sa showbiz eh. And then, lahat yung co-star ko, sikat artista. Malakas yan ko. So, try ko. So, I feel that's my dream. To be a star, so it's the time to start, to do it. So, kahit iyak yan, kahit yung suntukin yan, kahit yung love story yan, whatever. And then actually with Anjali, I was very confused. Kasi first time sa showbiz, especially with the woman star, so hug, touch, kiss, suntok, or run. So, mahirap yan para sa akin. Para sa super. But I really got a good experience. So I believe it will, my next pelikula will be 100%, I'm sure. My talented will be there and I'm really thankful. Thank you for everyone with me dito sa show. Kasi lahat kayo super sikat artista eh. Ako bago yun dito lang. Kasi Mang Willows, si Roxy, Jeffrey, Mark Hira, si Angeli, iba-iba lahat. Director, thank you. Direct Danny, salamat para sa dito. Thank you.
Challenging yung action sa bed dahil ibang genre at action this time. At inabot din, I think, from what I remembered, inabot kami ng 1 hour or 2 hour when shooting that. And also on Sahil's action. Isang buong araw, I think, matagal siya, and I'm happy that I didn't know that I was gonna be able to do it, and I'm happy I did it.
I just did a cameo scenes and like hardly for 20 seconds in this 72-minute movie, so I don't think there was anything challenging. But the reason I picked up the mic is to say something. Call her a liar. You know, I don't think she should have answered this question at all, because there is nothing challenging for Anjali Kang. That's what I have seen. You give her any scene, she's a naturally, you know, a natural actor at that. That's something which I've seen in the sets, and you saw it on the screens as well. So I just want to take this opportunity to all the cast, including Anjali, Sahil, and everybody, right? So you all put in some great efforts. Thank you so much.
Challenging. Napaka-challenging talaga ng pelikula. Maraming mga pinagdaanan na proseso, training, and talagang pati sa script. Yung story kasi ng buhay ni Sahil, representasyon din ng karamihan sa mga Pilipino eh. Yung pinagdaanan niya, yung struggle, talagang pinaka-challenging paano namin ilalagay lahat ng mga kwento ni Sahil para mabuo sa isang pelikula. From Afghanistan, travel sa Philippines, na walang-wala eh. As in, wala. Hindi na namin nailagay yung iba, pero yung buhay na pinagdaanan ni Sahil, yung namumulot ng basura, nangangalkal ng para lang makasurvive. Pero yun yung yun yung mas challenging sa story ni Sahil. Yun na overcome niya yung yung hirap. Kaya yung movie na to, aside from action, success story din siya eh. Na nagawa ni Sahil na from scratch, pero ngayon Sahil nag-aartista, at the same time negosyante. Ang daming pinagdaan ng struggle. Mas challenging sa kanya yung mabuo yung kwento para maging inspirasyon din sa iba na kung nagawa ni Sahil, magagawa rin ng marami ng mga Pilipino rin yan. So yun din naman, yun ang pinakabuod ng kwento. And then siyempre yung gusto ko lang din na i-take yung opportunity na magpasalamat sa aming dalawang executive producer, kay Mr. Sam Morgan, kay Mr. Sahil Khan, at the same time siya yung lead star namin. And then kay Angelica na talagang napaka-professional pagdating sa acting, at the same time pagdating sa action, walang question, napakagaling. Thank you.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Thank you po sa panonood ng Mandirigma. Yung challenging po ng role ko is yung badyaw po. Kasi po never kong naranasan maging badyaw. Nung nakilala ko po si Kuya Sahil, kinakabahan ako. Kala ko po, masama siya. Yung po pala, mabait. So, thankful po ako kasi nasama din po ako sa movie. Yun lang po.
Good evening po. Being a short scene sa pelikula. Nagulat ako. Kwento ko lang paano ako nakilala ni Sir Sahil. Nag-text sa akin so in-ignore ko kasi kala ko pasyente ko. I'm a real doctor in real life. So sabi ko, tawag na lang in a minute, in an hour kasi akala ko papacheck up lang siya. So, kailangan niya daw ng real doctor. So ako yung nasa likod ng mga scene regarding bruises and all na nasa medical field. So sabi ko, friend ko kasi sila Jeffrey Santos. So, yan, nirekomenda ako kailangan niya ng tunay na doktor kasi doon sa scene na yun, sa isang room lang yun, so i-set up namin as ward. So parang ganun lang. So maraming salamat sa at saka sa mga nakikita nyo sa mga scene na doctor, sa mga soap opera, nandun ako. Saglit lang din, pero ako yung nasa likod ng mga ganun. Sa umpisa mo as first movie mo, Sir Sahil, continuous mo lang, konting pursu pa para dire-diretso na yung pangarap mo maging isang actor. And sa lahat, maraming salamat.
Ako naman po, my name is Mark. Challenging. Kasi last day na po yata namin ni Sahil yun, yung last day na namin dun sa shoot na to. Tapos very challenging lang kasi si Direk, on the spot yung script. On the spot. Hindi ko nga alam kasi before talaga, sa mga role ko as an Arab talaga soldier sa ibang network. So, pa lang, 1 week pa lang yung script, binibigay na po sa akin kasi mga Arab talaga yung although marunong naman ako mag-Arabic eh. So on the spot, doon lang binibigay ni Direk yung yung script sa akin. Tapos ito gawin mo, ganito gawin mo. So yun lang very challenging. Pero naman nung na-meet ko si Sahil, sobrang bait na tao. So walang masyadong hinihinging So yun lang, parang one family kami ni Sahil. So yun lang po.
To our cast producer and director, this time we have a question from Mark Magadia of Maganda Ba Movie.
Hi guys. So for my first question is for Sahil. What was your experience? What inspires you to be an actor and to produce this film Mandirigma?
Thank you for. Actually, I've been work with Derek Roman and DTN. Say Derek Roman hindi. Say Derek Roman was he was the first to bring me to those kind of things. Kasi bigay sa akin almost 14-15 pelikula I've been work with him in BMX. So finally, when we prepare the script and when we prepare the story, actually, maybe not 100% my story. Thousands of Filipinos, kids or boys or girls namin, have the same story. Broken family, mahirap sa buhay, trabaho, yung firay ba. And then acting was my dream, but that time I was homeless, I cannot make it. Then Julia Barit, I'm really thankful to her. She was the first inexpensive candy to choose me, be her third or fourth partner in expensive candy with Jason Fall Lakshmana. So that's the reason today I'm an actor. And then I'm very thankful to my managers. They are pushing me also for those projects. So very helpful and very good for me. So I'm okay now with acting skills and things. But still, since I'm a lead man in this pelikula, so para sa akin was mahirap. So I'm sure in thinking the next project will be very fine.
Okay, thank you, Sahil. For my second question is for Angeli. Kasi parang may mga eksena dito that is yung nakita yung action mga chops mo dito. So medyo na-surprise kami na may ganun ka palang side. Ano to, parang nagkaroon ba ng parang training or workshop do sa yung gano'n, yung ano ba, martial art ba yun or something like that?
On the scene po yung workshop and how to do it. At ang breathe niya na nung pagkatapos gawin na nagawa ko.
Okay, sige. Yun lang, sige. Salamat.
Thank you. That was Mark Magadia of Maganda Ba Movie. Up next, we have a question from Lorna Lovelace, a content creator.
Hi, good evening guys. Congratulations for making this film. So my name's Lorna from The Lovelaces Inn. So I write movie reviews. My question goes to Direk Danny, Angeli, and Sahil. So my question is, what's your favorite memory from making this film?
Siguro yung ano lang, yung time na binubuo namin yung concept, yung script, tapos siguro during nung shoot na mismo, very challenging yung yung dami ng sequences per day. Pero at the end of the day naman, natapos naman namin. Siguro ganun.
Yung ending po, one of the happiest memories na magkakasama kami, na masaya lahat. At nung time na nagtatawanan, and that's ang memorable po.
For me, the best memories are cast. I was very magulo with cast. Kasi feeling ko maybe they don't want to shoot in my movie, my film, since I just go from down, zero. So I'm really thankful to them. And that was the best memories, kahit Mark Heras, kahit Monching, kahit si Jeffrey Santos, even si Aljur Abrenica was ready to shoot with me in this pelikula also. But since we were not able, that was mountain, we cannot approach him. Very thankful to him also. So those cast were very, very mahirap para sa akin and very magulo. But I'm very thankful still we are here and we did it. Thank you.
Thank you for answering that question. Another question for Direk. What important message do you want the audience to pick up from watching this film? Thank you.
Siguro yung struggle ni Sahil. Kasi yun nga gaya ng nabanggit din ni Sahil, na ito yung representasyon din ng karamihan din sa mga Pilipino, na siya half Pilipino, half Afghanistan, pero yung buhay niya sumasalamin din sa karamihan ng buhay ng mga Pilipino, na yung broken family, tapos yung iba hindi napupunta sa maganda, pero yung kay Sahil kasi talagang yung struggle, yung talagang drive niya na mahanap yung mother niya, and then at the same time may angat yung sarili niya from down hanggang sa ngayon na na-survive niya yon. Siguro yung inspirasyon lang sa buhay niya na yung from yung success story. Yun ang lagi na siguro niya. Given na siguro yung action niya, kasi yung pagiging sundalo niya sa Afghanistan, andito na yan eh. Pero yung pinaka ng story is yung inspiration na from siguro yung success story niya. Yun ang siguro. Thank you.
Thank you for your question. Lorna Lovelace, a content creator. Up next, we have Princessa Suji, a content creator.
Hi, good evening everyone. I just have one question for the main cast, which is Angeli and Sahil. When you first heard about your character, what was the part that scared you, but in a good way?
This grade po. Scared me was the part of doing the action. Nasa labas kami na parang may hinahampas ako o naisip ko, pag bawat hampas ko, nahampas ko ba talaga siya, na nasasaktan ba si kuya? Okay lang ba? Nagagawa ko ba ng tama? And after watching it, ayun po yung scariest ko.
For me, the scary things like when I was in scenes with say Sarupsi inside the rooms that we saksakin or fighting war like that was very hard with Derek Dani. And the second time scary scenes was when Derek Hosey GR inside the car, because I cannot control my knife. That was plastic knife, but when I do, kasi bago yan sa showbiz, so mahirapan pasok dyan, isa akala ko maybe saktan or whatever, and actually it's happened one time inside the room. So then we apologized to each other, but he was really disappointed. But after that, he come back and he hugged me. He said, Sahil, I do it for you because you are my good friend and brother. So that was only things with action scenes there.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you. That was Princess Suji, a content creator. Up next, we have Naz Labares of Pelikula Mania.
Hi, for Sahil, was it difficult for you to open up your story since this is like a biopic na rin?
For me, since 2013 until 2020, bago pasok sa showbiz, nakita ko dami Pilipino namin, boys, homeless, wala kain, wala buhay, may trabaho na mahirapan, minimum sahod, lahat. So when I saw that I feel that I need to open my story, and that was first time I talked to my manager, Chuchu Veloso. So he's the one to talk to Boswick Velosario. So they are not sure, maybe it's success, not success, but I told them, I will try. Kahit it's not 100% my story. Let's ikot tayo to story sa Pinas. Maybe most of the boys, most of those guys, they will get good experience. Kasi mother and father, they are only the one dito sa mundo tayo. Wala naman iba tao. You can find woman, you can find girls, girlfriend, brother, sister, you can do it, but mother, fathers will never come back to you. Once it's gone, that's gone. There's nothing more. So those, they didn't see the love of mother and father, they feel and they know that one. So that's why when I opened the story and then thanks to executive producers, he didn't say to me no. Actually, we talked to a lot of directors, producers, but they don't want it. Even belong to story. And then the things was very hard and I cannot open the story. When I opened the story to other actresses like Julia, like Cindy Miranda, so those people little was 50-50. Since when I request for Anjali, Boswick don't want to allow her due to wholesome films, right? Like have a full-length movie. So then finally Boswick talked to me. My manager was with me. So he said, Sahil, you don't want to let me go, huh? So finally he allowed Anjali and I'm very thankful to her, she's with me. So the story, I think maybe, what kind of acting is there, I don't know, but maybe some people or maybe 50 to 60% people, they will get a good experience from that story. That's what's real life and what's life, what's mother and father, what's family, how love, what kind of love is that. So that's only the things is. Thank you.
And curious lang, how are you and your real life and Angelica partner?
Me and Angelica, what people thinking, we are very good friends. Kahit we travel a lot, kahit we work for, but there is not a first movie with Anjali. Since our manager or same management, Anjali and me, we had other movies also, but I had extra role with Derek McAleandre, with Derek Roman, I think. So we are very close and very good friends. There's nothing.
I mean, how are you and your real life partner, which Angelica?
Real life, of course, we still pushing for the next project. The real game, that's, I already forgot, there's nothing more. That was very long time story. It was very hard for me. Fighting, jealousy, those kind of things. Barangay police every day. So it was very for good, you know. So actually, maybe I'm also not a perfect boy. But sometimes girlfriend need to understand the situation also. So that was thing. It was very hard. So that's why Kim didn't do those real things, but we already pushed the story.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was Naz Labares of Pelikula Mania, and we've got here our last 3 questions for tonight.